In this first look video, we are going to check out mini plugins. This is a set of what I would call utility plugins for WordPress and WooCommerce. So some lightweight plugins with a specific purpose. Okay. Before we get into the first look video here, these types of videos are literally me hitting the record button and whatever happens, happens. So this benefits both the vendor and the consumer. The vendor gets to see where a consumer might stumble, and the consumer gets to see that stumble and how we work through those. If there are any, there may not be any, but these videos are not sponsored, so we're not paid to do these videos. There's no affiliate situation. You'll find no affiliate links in the description of this video or anywhere on our website. If you'd like videos like this or other types of videos created, please sign up as a member, partner member. It's 100% for free for life. Just go to influencewp.com/partners. All right, let's go ahead and poke around the website, and then we'll look at the actual solutions. So again, it's miniplugins.com. And we'll just poke around here a bit. So we see 6 currently at the time of this recording. There are 6 plugins. We've got an annual and a lifetime option, 100% money back guarantee. Oh, that is very good. Got some testimonials. What else here? We've got, if you want to be an affiliate, and if you're into that sort of thing, they've got an affiliate program. Let's check the about page. And yeah, I think that's good. Down here, I see that it's built with Ollie. Definitely check out Ollie if you're looking for a really amazing block theme, full site editing theme. Also, I did a video and covering Ollie, and it's really, really good stuff. So cool to see this is built on Ollie. So Sanjeev is the person I've been speaking to for this particular partnership. Seems to be a great guy, very responsive, very open to collaboration. Looks like you can find him on his WordPress profile, Facebook, Twitter, X, and GitHub. And it looks like there's a chat widget down here in the bottom right where you can easily reach out to Sanjeev. So very, very cool. Always like to see a face and a name behind a business. And so kudos to you, Sanjeev, for having that about page. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move this screen over to my other screen in case we need to reference it. But again, I think we can cover all 6 of these plugins in this one video. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it a shot. What I've done before this video is hitting record is I've installed all 6 plugins, and we're going to strategically do them in a certain order because one of the solutions will cancel out certain things. So we got to do it in a certain order. Obviously, you probably won't do all of these on your website all at the same time. So this is a special case where we're trying to do everything all at once. Okay. All right. So the first thing we want to do, that is an easy one as far as not worrying about it canceling something else out, is Birthday Pro. So we're going to just activate that. And I got to log back in. I apologize. There we go. Let's go ahead and activate that. So what this plugin does, from just my reading, again, I haven't tested it, is it's going to add to a user's profile. So if I go into a test account, it's going to add, if I just do a search for birthday, there should be a field in here. There we go. So there's a birthday field, and they in their profile on the front end, they can add their birthday, edit their profile, add their birthday, obviously. And then I believe it's during the account creation process, they add their birthday in there. And yeah, so that's how that works. But then on top of that, there's a setting in WooCommerce, as far as that's how I'm reading it, where under email, you can send them an email on their birthday. So let's see if we can find that. Maybe that's probably up here. So let's do birthday. Here we go. Yeah. So there's a birthday action email right here. And then if you want to get into messing with the template and stuff, you can do that if you want. And, all the typical WooCommerce stuff. If you run a WooCommerce store, you're familiar most likely with all the email stuff. If we go back to the root of emails and we scroll down, you can kind of see a preview of what your template's going to look like. there. But yeah, so that's it. This plugin will automatically send out an email to the customer on their birthday. And there's also a coupon aspect. I almost forgot that. So under coupons, let me see here. So I'm going to pull up the website here. I thought I read something about coupons. Okay, we went over that. You can customize the email on your own by sending some discount coupons, etc. All right, let's go ahead and click on that link. Allows you to collect birthdays. Okay, so they're talking about editing the profile and the template. Okay. Where is the coupon? Oh, okay, so in the pro, okay, yeah, here's the coupon. Has a feature to set the birthday coupon. You can make any coupon. Okay, so it looks like we need to create a coupon. Let's call it birthday. And then what do we do here? Obviously, you set the discount type. Let's just say it's a $10 coupon. Usage restriction. Here we go. Birthday coupon. Check this box if the coupon can only be used by a customer on their birthday. Okay. Let's go back here. So we add the coupon. We specify it for the birthday. They can only use it on their birthday. When the customer logs in on their birthday, the special confetti will appear on the My Account page to make the customer feel special. That's really cool. I didn't read that before. I skimmed over that. Can a customer change their birthday and use the coupon another day? Okay, I'll let you guys read through that. But that's a really cool feature. And then you just got to get that coupon notice out there for their birthday. So an email is going to go out automatically. I just don't know how to get that coupon in there. Let's see here. The birthday allows you to collect birthdays. Send a personalized discounts and gifts. Comes with the default birthday email that says use coupon code okay. So this is the default. So you would want to put, if you just want to roll with the defaults and not edit the template, we could do this. Let's go back to our coupon. There we go. And set up, everything else that we want to set up. It's a birthday coupon. Set up the value, if and then publish. So at this point on their birthday, they will automatically get. Did not want to do that. They will automatically get an email from WooCommerce with their coupon code automatically in there based on this template right here, birthday, and it will look like this if you don't edit your template, okay? So, and then they're showing you here in the plugin like what it'll look like. Very cool stuff. All right, let's go ahead and move on. I think you get the idea there. Okay, next up, autocomplete. WooCommerce autocomplete order status. So if you've ever had any issues with your orders like being stuck in processing and all of that, I've seen it countless times. There's really nothing to show you guys here. You just activate this plugin and it's just going to take care of this for you. Okay. I have tested this before. I needed this in the past for a client site and it works just great. Okay. What do we want to do here? Front end, let's go with front end. We don't want to delete an account yet. We'll do that at the end. Force Logout PRO. Let's go ahead and activate that one. So I'm going to log into this website in an incognito browser. So bear with me just a second. That's not the one I wanted to do. Let's go over here and let's do. There we go. Let's get logged in. And let me get this test account. Here we go. So put in a password here. Actually, let's just roll with this one. All right, so let's log into our site with this test account so we can force their logout. Okay, so they are obviously logged in at this point. And let's go over here with the use of this plugin, Force Logout from the front end. We see that they are, let's go ahead and refresh this actually. There we go. We now see that this test account is online. So let's force a logout. So again, here's the before. We see that they are logged in because it's giving us the logout prompt. Log out. Okay, did that work? Log out. Doesn't appear to be working. There we go. It did work, but the status. So they're online. I have to read more about that, I guess. I would think that the green would change. Let's refresh again. There it goes. Okay, maybe it just takes a little bit of time to refresh. Okay, so that works as expected. You can see who's online, force their logout for whatever reason that you might need to do that. All right, let's go back to our plugins and see what we can conquer next. Okay, auto delete old orders. So what this is going to do by default, from my reading, is that, and we can check this too. It's under WooCommerce settings, maybe. Here we go. Auto delete old orders. So anything older than 3 months, it's going to delete those orders. So prior to this video, I created an order and I backdated it to May 1st, 2024. So this should run, like it should get rid of this. Based on my reading, this works every 5 minutes and it works in small batches so that it doesn't bog down your website. So where are we at here? Auto delete old orders. So here we go. Uses the action scheduler. So every 5 minutes, it's going to check, and anything older than 3 months, that's the default. You can adjust that. Then it will delete 10 orders at a time in a 5-minute interval. So again, not to bog down your website. So in 5 minutes, we should see that order go away. I'm going to go ahead and create another order. Actually, you know what? Let's do, let me hurry up. Let's go ahead and we'll create the order. I'm going to create another user. Okay, so we have another user in there. We're going to let that other, let's go ahead and refresh this and let's assign this to our next test user. Okay, so now we have 2 test users in there and they both have an order assigned to them. So let's see what we can do here in the meantime while we wait for that 5 minutes to go and see if that other old order goes away. Okay, so we can, let's see, WooCommerce auto delete users with no orders. Okay, actually, so let's do that. Let's go back to our orders. Let's actually unassign. I can't remember if you can unassign or not. Yeah, you can do that. Let's unassign this order from this person. Okay, so now we should be able to auto delete users with no orders. Let's hurry up and do that before that 5 minutes kicks in. Okay. Now, did that work? Does it just work? So if it just works out of the box, then test 2 should go away. And it does. Nope, didn't. Okay, there's probably again time that needs to go by. So let's go back. Auto delete users with no orders. Let's check out the documentation for this. Again, uses action schedule every 5 minutes. Okay, so again, we're in a holding period, which is normal. This is normal. Let's delete. Let's create another test. I'm just trying to think of the things that we can test before these 5 minutes happen. Okay, let's do test 3. So we have our third test account, and we can test this other plugin here. WP Frontend Delete Account Pro lets customers delete their account on their own. Okay, so let's activate that. Oh, this brings up some settings. Okay. What do we want to do here? We can delete comments. Okay, so they probably want for privacy and all that stuff. They just want to completely go away. So we're going to honor this. We want to get rid of their stale comments. Maybe you don't want to do that. We'll go ahead and do that. Delete account. So we're just setting up kind of like the CTA here. Delete account, confirm. Do you want to redirect them somewhere after they delete their account? We'll leave that alone. Attribute all content to. If we're providing this, on the front end, we're probably doing this for customers, subscribers type of thing. So we don't need to attribute any content to anyone. Security method before deleting, password. Okay, that's fine. Confirmation text, enter password to confirm. So actually, we'll just roll with all the default settings and then move on here. So what's under advanced here? WooCommerce, delete account tab, endpoint. Okay, we'll leave that alone. After changing this, okay, we'll leave that alone. Exclude user roles. Yeah, so we will just take this off. Maybe you want to assign this. You got. I'm just going to put subscriber and customer at this point. Yeah, we'll just roll with those two for now. And then, because obviously, if you come in here and you want to allow authors to delete themselves, then you want to come back over here and you probably want to attribute their content to somebody so the content just doesn't go away. It just depends on the website, right? And the business arrangement that you've got set up. All right, emails, email notifications. Email notifications sent from WP Frontend Delete account are listed below. Click on the email to configure it. Okay. So let's just check out one of these. Let's do user email. Your account has been deleted successfully. Your account has been deleted. In this case of mistake, please contact the administrator. Okay. So it looks like you need to toggle on a feedback email and a weekly summary email. So that weekly summary email, probably, you want that to go to the admin just to, if that's something you want to get notified on, just to let your admins know, all the accounts that were deleted. So maybe you need to take additional steps yourself for privacy reasons. Feedback email. So maybe a customer was unhappy for whatever reason. They deleted their own account. You can get them a feedback, send them a feedback email where you could say what could we have done better type of thing. So super, super cool stuff. All right, let's just roll with these defaults. All right. So I'm going to log in over here on my other browser as this test user, and we're going to try to delete their account. Let's go ahead, copy this. This is test 3, right? Okay. Okay, so I'm logged in over here as the test 3 account. Here we go. This is the new endpoint that's created because of this plugin. Let's delete it. There we go. Let's see. It looks like it's trying to go to this delete account endpoint. Okay. So you probably just need to set up, that endpoint. Let's does it talk about it here? Front end delete account pro. All right, let's check this out. Documentation. Okay, let's see. WooCommerce. If you have not already added the my account page, you can add that. Okay, we've already done that. non-WooCommerce sites, you can add the delete account content to any page. Okay. Yeah, so this doesn't have to be a WooCommerce website. If you're using a classic editor, you can add, oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So you just need to create that endpoint, if you will, so that it goes to something other than this page not found, like a 404. Okay. That's pretty simple stuff. Just they give you the short code and whatnot. Looks like there's even an Elementor widget that you can use here. So that's pretty cool. All right. Yeah, that is good stuff. So we now have, let's go back here. Let's go to our users. I noticed that when we were testing that out, that our test 2 user, because they had no order associated with them, they are now gone. So that worked. So this plugin, auto delete users with no orders, that one worked. So what we're left with now is our test 1 account, which does have an order. Remember, we assigned an order to this user, but that order should now be gone because 5 minutes has gone by and we are using the WC auto delete old orders plugin. Okay, so let's go check that out. So that order we created was for May of 2024. So hopefully that's gone. And it's not. Okay, I don't know why that is. I don't know why that is. It could be because we've just got too much going on here. Again, this is not a problem with these plugins. It is just we're doing something that's not normal, trying to do all this at one time. Auto delete old orders. So there's probably just something going on that's funky. I'm confident this thing is working. One thing that I just noticed this right here, delete all WooCommerce orders. Okay, we have to figure out what that means. Is that literally all orders? Let's see. Auto delete old orders. Let's see what this actually means. All right, well, I'm not seeing it in here. Let's see. I think I did ask Sanjeev about this. Let me just check my email real quick here. There is an option in the admin bar to delete all orders irrespective. Okay, yeah, so that's the nuclear option. So if I hit this, all of these orders are going to be going away. Done. All WooCommerce orders are set to delete on in the background. This may take, okay, so it's going to do this in batches again, not to slow down your site. So that's cool. All right, so we covered everything. The only thing is, and that's again, it's not the fault of the plugins. It's just I'm 99% sure it's because we are throwing so much at this right now, and there's so many moving pieces that you typically wouldn't do that. So I'm confident that the auto delete orders thing would work. And I don't want to keep you guys sitting here for 5 minutes while we test it, but we could delete all or disable all of the plugins except for this one right here. And I'm confident that that would work. Okay. Very, very cool. I have many uses for these and my clients do too. So super excited about this stuff. Again, check them out, miniplugins.com. And if you want videos like this or other types of videos created for your business, influencewp.com/partners. It's 100% free to join. All right. Catch you guys in the next video.